Yo, what's going on? Y'all debating whether I'm gonna get in this trade or not. I'm gonna see whether I'm gonna make this move. Y'all give me just a minute to see if I'm gonna get in this trade, but y'all see what's going on. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and buy this market here, right here, 3 o'clock. I'm expecting some upside movement. We'll see if this thing goes. So we got a whole hour and some change to go. See if it rises above 322. So I did a buy at 1.3322. About 4 contracts at $53.75. Right now, y'all see I'm going to be in the red for a little while until this thing starts really rolling up. Right now, I'm losing this trade, and we'll see how this thing goes. So I'll be back with you guys in a moment. And just to let you guys know, it haven't been that much long, so we are already seeing some green. It's already at 323 right now, so things gonna be looking pretty good. Shortly after this trade, let's see if we can look at the charts here. I got the chart up here. Let me get this chart up real quick. Alright, here we go. USD CAD. Alright. We'll go and put this in at. What am I on? Give me just a moment. 24. What the heck? This thing ain't caught up. Let me see something here, guys. We're in the green here on there. Let me just a moment so I can get the charts. Alright, guys, we're right here. There's the entry. If I can get the charts going. Entry at 3322. Sorry for the interruption, guys. But yeah, on the charts, got it up and running. You see the entry there. Currently in profit right now on the trade. Hope this thing makes some more upside movement within 48 minutes, and we'll see how this thing goes. I'll get back with you guys in a moment. Alright, you guys, out of 10 checking in. I think I'm gonna close this position out at 40 bucks. It's not quite the position I really want it to be in, so I'm closing this thing out. Take a little bit of a hit here. I might get back in this position at on the sell side of things. Look like this may move to the downside. Here, hold on just a minute. Alright, guys, I'm back. I ended up selling that market. I got 5 contracts in. Right now, market at 33.17. It's moving down pretty good right now. Let's take a look at the charts. It's moving down pretty good. I wish I would have made this entry up here. That's what I really should have did. I wasn't honed in like I was supposed to, but still made a pretty good entry. It's moving down to the downside. Cover some of the losses that I did just take. So things going pretty good. So far, so good. I'll be back with you guys in 18 minutes. Alright, guys. We're closing in under a minute in this trade. Let's look at the chart. Y'all see what's going on. The market has dropped tremendously. We almost a full 10 pips away from the target. So this trade is looking like it's going to win. It's under 45 seconds. Close to $200 in profit. So it's going to be a pretty big trade. It's going to put the count over in the 3,500 range. Probably 36. I'm not sure. Let me see what the math is on that. Times 5. 221 on that. So 221.25 is going to be max profit. So we're looking to grow that count a little bit more after this trade is over. Just a moment, and this trade is over. Trade's over. Let's see this thing settle. And there it is. 3,500. Looking pretty good, y'all. I'll let you chicken out.